Today we'll practice the blood clean Qigong. Circulate our blood and energy. Make our Qi flowing good again. Strengthen our internal organs and heal our sickness. Okay? So today in this video we will have a full set Qigong routine to practice together. Today we'll practice the blood clean Qigong. It can help us to circulate our blood and energy. Make our Qi flowing good again so that we can improve our health, strengthen our internal organs and heal our sickness. Okay? Breathe in, right palm, clap to in the back of that palm. Okay? Breathe out, left elbow. Breathe in the back of the left shoulder. Breathe out, another hand. In, right elbow. Out in the back of right shoulder. And then in the back of your lower back. Like that, right? And out beside your two knees. Alright, beside your two knees, like that. Breathe in beside your ankle joints. You can bend lower, okay? Like that. Then open. Out. Breathe in, deep it. Left hand. Out. Left elbow. In. Left shoulder. Out. Right hand. In. Out. In the back, right shoulder. In, lower back, bend down more. Out beside your knees. In, ankle joints. Out, stand up, open, let it go. Breathe in, left hand. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In, lower back. In. Breathe in, left hand. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In, lower back. In. Breathe in, left hand. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In, lower back. In. Breathe in, left hand. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In, lower back. In. One more time. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In, lower back. Out. In, ankle joint. Breathe in, open your palms. Deep. Out. Slow, bring your mind back to the body. Open your two palms to the V-shape. Feel the warmness of the body. You feel your two palms. Feel your whole body warm. You feel the blood, the energy circulate around the body, in the body. Smile to yourself. Second movement, open arms. Okay, breathe in. Join your two palms together on the chest level. Breathe out. Move your hands up. Open your arms maximum. Okay, like that. The V shape down here. Continue. Breathe in again. Filled all love and loving kindness, compassion. Breathe out. Let it go. Release tensions from your chest and your shoulders. Okay, in. In. Out. So wonderful. Open the palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. Allow your shoulders, your palms to relax. Allow your chest to relax. The third movement, hand folded, body curving. Okay, two palms together on your chest level. Two palms together and then cross two thumbs together. Okay, like that. Breathe in. Lift your folded hand up. Bend your head backwards, and then your finger will touch in the center of your forehead. Okay, like this. Okay, bend backwards. Breathe out. You bend your head forward. You move your hands down, keep your knees straight until your fingers can touch the ground between your 2 feet. Okay, you can reach as far as you can. Okay, don't force yourself. Just relax. Breathe in up. Out. Allow your lower back to relax and your neck to relax. In, up. Out. Breathe in. Out. Slowly you can bend more naturally. Okay. Allow yourself to reach the ground. In. Out. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palm. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body. Relax your lower back. Relax your neck. Okay. Next movements we call the hand upward and backwards. Okay. Standing your 2 feet parallel together on the yoga mat. Alright. Like that. So breathe in, hands up. Stand by your toes. Okay. Breathe out, bring your palms down and kneel down. And stretch, raise your toes up one moment. Okay. Breathe in, move your palms. Front again, reach the sky. Okay. Out, put your heels down, the palms front, and stretch. Raise the toes. One moment. Okay. Inhale deep. Exhale. You allow your feet also acupressure. Okay. And stretch your palms and your shoulders. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. One more time. In. Out. Wonderful. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body again.